Hi, boys and girls. So, today for our math activity during independent work, we're going to talk a little bit more about measurement. We've been talking about measurement in class, and one of the ways that we can measure is by length. So, figuring out how long something is. So, using this measuring ourselves sheet, there are a couple of options you have. We're going to find some things that you have around the house and then use it to measure our different body parts. So, for example, you could use Legos. See how long your arm is with Legos. That might take a while. You could also use measuring tape. Maybe you have some measuring tape in your house, and then you can measure your arm with measuring tape. Measure your whole body with measuring tape. You could also use blocks, which would be fun because they're a little bit bigger. Legos can be a little bit smaller, and then that would be a tough job trying to measure your whole body with Legos. So you can maybe see how many blocks it is to see how tall you are. You could even use pencils or crayons and try to line up the pencils on your arm to see how many pencils they are. I might line up the pencils on a table and put my arm next to it, and then count up how many pencils long my arm is. So what you'll do is, let's say I decide to use pencils. I'm going to line up my pencils and I'm going to say, oh, my arm is about 6 pencils long. Then I'm going to go on the paper with the body and I'm going to put a happy face because I'm happy. And then I'm going to label the arm with 6. So I can write that, oh, I know there's 6 pencils that I use for that. Maybe I'll even write pencils on the side so I remember what unit I'm using. Then I might measure my foot with the pencils. And I notice my foot is 1 pencil long. So I'll write the number 1 by the foot on the paper. And then I might try to even measure my entire body with pencils, and I'll see how many pencils long my body is. So those are your options with trying to measure yourself today, and I look forward to hearing about it.